Aries, Namaste. I welcome you all to my channel, The Purple Insights. Here I will upload videos related to tarot and oracle card readings. Also, occasionally I will post videos on various topics related to occult. This is my first upload, and I request you all to shower some love by liking and sharing my videos and subscribing to my channel. This will definitely help me grow my channel and motivate me further to upload more interesting topics later. So, that being said, let me tell you what this reading is going to be all about. So, it's about what's coming for you in this month of October 2020. So, let me tell you what messages can you expect from this reading. Well, using the tarot and oracle cards, I will try to provide you with some insights regarding your relationship, your career, and finances for this month of October 2020. Also, we will see what messages your spirit guides or your guardian angels or your ancestors have for you for this month. I'm sure this reading will serve as a guidance and, in certain cases, may act as a warning to let you avoid some of your actions that might get you into some sort of trouble this month. Also, I would like to tell you that this is a general reading, guys. It will resonate with most of you, but may not with everyone. But that doesn't mean the reading is wrong, it's just that it was not meant for you. So, that was the introduction, guys. And now let's start with your reading. So, the first card is Ten of Pentacles, second is Queen of Cups, third is Emperor in reverse, next card is New Moon. Then we have Self Reliance, the next one is Media, and the last card is Ahimsa in reverse. So, let's begin with the first tarot card. So, those of you who are single and looking for love, Ten of Pentacles is a good sign. Congratulations, guys, love is coming your way, maybe even sooner than you think. You just need to keep an open mind, otherwise, you might miss them. Maybe this person is standing right behind you in your queue, or maybe he parks his vehicle right next to yours and breaks into a conversation with you. Yeah, I mean, you need to stay alert and keep an open heart, otherwise, you might miss them. And I'm sure you will not want to do that because this person may be someone who shares your ideology and is the man of your dreams with whom you will want to have a long term relationship, or maybe you will want to settle down. So keep your eyes open. All the best, guys. And for some of you, the card indicates an engagement or a marriage. Some of you are going to get married into a wealthy family. For some of you who are in a relationship, you may decide to live in together. Married couple might buy a house together. They may decide to start a family as well. Also, those of you who are in a committed relationship, this card promises you a wonderful future and is indicating that you might like to take your relationship to the next level. So, all in all, Ten of Pentacles is a very positive card when talking about relationships. So, the next card we have is Queen of Cups, and Cups is all about emotions. The Queen here is reminding you that whatever job you are in, it must make you feel fulfilled emotionally as well, and not just financially. This queen could be an emotionally mature female at your workplace, and you should accept her guidance whenever she offers it to you. Also, some of you are looking forward to a career in social work, psychology, counseling, maybe nursing, or other healing practices, or you may be wanting to pursue a career in art or fashion. Well, some of you may be even already working in this field, and some of you may be practicing holistic therapies or are intending your career to be in that field. Some of you can be psychics or tarot card readers, or you may be working towards becoming one. Okay, so the next card, Emperor in reverse, suggests you find your finances are out of control right now. You are unable to properly deal with your expenditures. You may be overspending, guys, and you need to look out for ways to curb your expenses. Okay, so the next card is New Moon, and yes, a new start is coming. So, this can be in regard to those who are single and seeking love, or the ones who are looking for a new job. So, this card also indicates it's a yes to whatever question you have in your mind right now. For those of you who are still living in your past, this card is suggesting you to move on in order to explore the surprises the future have in store for you. So, guys, this month new moon is on 16th October, and new moon is the time for laying down intentions for the new cycle. So, every one of you must enlist the things you want to achieve by the end of this cycle, and trust me, it will definitely be fulfilled if you stick to it. Okay. Then the next card we have is self reliance. It says, don't be afraid to fly solo. Yes, you have it in you to stand up for yourself. You should not doubt your opinions. Not everyone has the courage to do things without the support of others. But you guys are courageous. You just need to have faith in yourself. Also, I can see for some of you who are single and planning to get married to someone you love, maybe your family is in support of that relationship. But this is your call, guys. You should be proud of your decision and should go for it. Well, I'm not suggesting you to go against your family, but in some cases, the family fails to understand the person you are in love with. Maybe they don't want to understand it, or maybe they want an arranged marriage for you. In that case, you are the one who knows that person inside out, and thus it's your choice. So act accordingly and be proud of whatever decision you take. Then the next card we have is media. It says you can reach more people by working with video, audio, print, and online media. So, if you have such a career where you need to reach out to people, then you should think about media publicity. Like those of you who are in fashion and art, you need to reach out to people to see your work. Those of you who are interested in tarot reading can start a channel on YouTube just like I did. So, so the last card is Ahimsa in reverse. Well, your spirit guides are suggesting if you have been harsh on yourself lately, then you should stop doing it. Ahimsa means avoidance of violence towards others. So, this card in reverse suggests you might get violent in some situation, but guys, you need to control it. Violence is never the answer, and you need to open your eyes and analyze the situation calmly. So that is all I have for you, Aries. I will see you next in my other videos. Till then, bye. Take care. And please don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye.